in the middle of one wicked, dirty hurricane. One drenched homeless man a dash down the lane with a mash-up cardboard box span him head like it a bulletproof helmet. Breeze a thump him from all angle. Rain a lick him like bad mind. And him just a run for him life. Him dive behind one crack-up wall and clutch a scandal bag of food like it a treasure chest. Bread, water, and half biscuit. That I am whole hurricane strategy. But the storm never respect him hustle. One piece of zinc fly across the sky like frisbee from hell. And the man take off running again. While him cardboard mansion tear up and drift well like tissue. Still headstrong and clueless. Him jam one tiny plastic bag pan him head and call it raincoat. One breeze lash and gone. Plan mash up clean. Next thing, him slip, drop, and bust a laugh same place in a the pouring rain. Fully defeated by weather and wicked breeze. But right when things look dark and done, one bass voice call him inside. Real yard kindness. Warm blanket, dry clothes, and hot tea replace cold concrete and chaotic storm. And right there so, him realize, no storm can run road forever. Breeze have to calm, rain have to done, and sunshine always find back the island. Storm come fi shake you, but it can't stop you.